To calculate the number of days between two dates, subtract one date from another date. For example, to calculate days between dates in A2 and B2, use the formula B2 minus A2, where A2 is an earlier date and B2 a later date. If you subtract later date from an earlier date, you will get a negative value. You can also use the DATEDIF function to get the number of days between two dates. Here is the syntax. Supply date 1 as first argument and date 2 as second argument. This function can return the difference between two dates in various time units such as years, months, and days, depending on the value you supply in the unit argument. To calculate the number of days, supply D as the unit in the last argument. Use this formula. DATEDIF can only subtract an older date from a newer date. If the start date is later than end date, the formula gives a #num error. You can also use the days function. You can see the syntax. End date and start date are the two dates between which you want to know the number of days. It returns the difference as a positive or negative number depending on whether the end date is greater or smaller than the start date. The days function can also handle dates in text format if the date is recognized by Excel. For example, in the following formula, pass text as date arguments. If the date is not recognized by Excel, the function returns an error. Example 17/1/2016. If you need to calculate the number of days between an earlier date and today, you can use the today function. Use this formula. To calculate the number of days between a later date and today, use the following formula. Today will recalculate every time you open the workbook. The value used for today will update and you will get a new result. To download the practice Excel file, click on the link in video description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.